start working on 3D models regularly, you start noticing that the way you plan a part matters a lot. In this video, I'll create a 3D model in CATIA and walk you through the process the way I usually approach a design, step by step, keeping the things clean and practical. By the way, I'm Dr. Syed Zabiullah and I work closely with the mechanical engineers who wants to improve their designing and modeling skills. One more important thing, there is a free ebook on 3D modeling on our website. If that helps, you will find the link in the description. Fine. So let's get inside the CATIA. Let's start designing the 3D models. In this video, I am going to explain how to design this 3D component in the CATIA using part design interface. Fine. Let's get inside the interface of part design. There I am going to explain how to design this. Let's get inside the interface of part design. Okay, so go to start, mechanical design, part design. Okay, I just keep the name as default. Okay for this one. Okay, so we are starting the design from this plane, that is ZX plane. Select the plane, go to sketch. I'm going to start from here, go to profile, first point. Okay, this is the horizontal line, vertical and horizontal. Let me complete the dimensions for this. Okay, so I want to add this dimension, first, second and third dimension. Double click on this. This dimension is 69 millimeter, enter. This dimension is 73 millimeter, enter. And one more dimension, this is 6 millimeter, enter. As of now, I'll just add one random dimension from this vertical reference to this point. Okay, I want to keep it as around, say for example, 50 millimeter. Now complete the complete remaining dimensions. Let's start from here. Okay, so I'm going to select this point. I want to go for this vertical. Okay, vertical, again horizontal, again I want to keep it vertical here, horizontal, again vertical, fine, horizontal line. Let me select approximately till here. I just want like horizontal. I want to close it like this. Fine. So let's complete the all remaining dimensions. Let's go to dimensions from this line to this here. This dimension is 30 millimeter, 30, enter. Fine. And the another dimension, this one, this is 12 millimeter. Double click on this, give it as 12, enter. Next, I want to add this dimension. This is 36 millimeter, 36, enter. And one more dimension, this one, this is 24 dimension. Double click on this, 24, enter for this. I want to add this dimension also, this line I want to give it as 25 millimeter, 25, enter for this. And this dimension is 36. Double click on this, give it as 36, enter. Okay, and here from this line to this reference, I want to add the dimension of 15 millimeter, enter. Okay, that's it. This is what we wanted. Exit workbench. So go to the option here, pad. I want to pad it for 72 millimeter. 72 by 2. I'm going to select here, mirror extend. Okay for this one. I'm going to select this surface. Go to the option here, sketch. Okay, I want to draw a circle. Go to circle here. I want to draw the circle. Fine. I want to add the dimension for this. The radius is 30. That is diameter is 60 millimeter. Enter. I have to add one more dimension from this edge to this point. This dimension is 42 millimeter. 42, enter for this. Exit workbench, go to the option here, pocket. I need to pocket it for 12 millimeter. 12, enter for this. Okay, select the face. There is a hole here. Select the face, go to sketch. I want to draw a circle, and this circle, hold control. This arc should be concentricity. Click OK. Go to the option here, dimension. I want to add this dimension here. How much is the diameter? 24 is the diameter. 24, enter. Go to the option here, exit. Click on the option pocket. Here I'm getting the option up to last. Click OK for this. Fine. Then I'm going to select this surface. On this surface, I have a small cutout. Go to the option here, sketch. Fine. Let's go to the rectangle. I'm going to start from here, first point and second. Now select this line, hold control, select the edge. Go to the option here, constraint, geometrical constraints. I am selecting coincide. Fine. Okay for this. So let's go to the dimension again. So from this edge to this line, this is 24. Similarly, this is also 24. And we have one more dimension. This line is 44. And here I'm going to draw a circle, okay, from this point to this point. Let me go to trim option. I want to trim this as well as I want to trim this also. Exit, go to the option here, pocket. So here also I want to use up to last. Up to last, okay, that's it. You can see that here. How does it looks like? The last portion I have, I'm going to select this surface, go to the option sketch. Okay, so let's start from the rectangle here. Okay, approximately I'll start first corner and second corner. Select this corner, hold Control key in the keyboard, this corner point. Go to the option here, that is constraint define in dialog box, coincide. Okay, so click OK for this. And this align and hold Control, this edge should be coincide again. Fine. And we need to add one more dimension. This dimension, this is 22 millimeter, enter. Exit workbench, you can see that here, how does it looks like. I need to add the material till this surface. Go to the option here, pad. So here just change the direction and make sure to select here up to next. That's it. Once I click OK, now we can see that here how I'm going to get the component like this. Fine. And if you want to hide these planes, select all these three planes, right click on this. We are going to get the option hide or show. Once I click on hide or show, you can see that I can able to see only the 3D component. Fine. So this is the final 3D component. This is how like we are going to design this component in the CATIA using part design.